Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 2FA for Chase Online Banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication for Chase Online Banking, start by logging into your Chase account on the official website. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Look for the option labeled Profile and Preferences or Security Settings. Select this option to proceed to the security settings. Locate the two-factor authentication or two-step verification setting. Click on the Toggle Switch or Edit button next to this option to enable it. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security question or a one-time code sent to your registered phone number. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive your verification code. Enter the code into the designated field and click Submit. Once your identity is verified, you will be directed back to the two-factor authentication settings. Choose your preferred method of receiving verification codes, such as text message or email. If you choose text message, ensure your phone number is correctly entered. For email, verify that the email address associated with your account is accurate. After selecting your preferred method, click Save or Confirm to apply these changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now enabled. Keep in mind, you will be required to enter a verification code each time you log in from an unrecognized device. Ensure that your contact information is kept up to date to avoid issues with receiving verification codes. If you encounter problems during this process, consult the Chase Help Center for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your Chase Online Banking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.